Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven. So now we're going to go ahead and roll each piece of dough into a rope that's about 18 inches long. So we'll just start out with our hands, kind of working the dough, and we'll put it on the flour, and we'll just work with our hands to stretch it. And if we need to, we'll go to the rolling pin. Okay. Looks like that's about all I'm going to get from my hands, so scoot some of that excess flour out of the way. The dough has plenty of flour on it now, so we're not going to need any more. And we'll take the rolling pin. We'll just roll it until it gets long, and we'll use our hands to form it into a rope. Again, you have to work with this to get it stretched out that long. And we'll use our hands to form it into a rope. Start stretching it. Okay. We'll work it down at this end. Okay. And that looks good. We'll do that for each of the 8 pieces.